Hi guys, so I know I haven't been on here in a while now, and you know, it's fine, I'm back. But I just wanted to come back with this hair tutorial. This is a ponytail. It's so long, it's so cute. I actually got this from the beauty supply and it came like wavy, but I could straighten it, so I straightened it straight. And if you follow me on Instagram, you can see the ponytail when it was like wavy. So if you want to know how I got this ponytail, how I did it, then just keep watching. And also, this ponytail is by Quick Pony. So if you don't find it at your local beauty supply, you can like maybe look it up on Amazon or something like that. It's called Quick Pony. That I know. And this color in particular is 1B. I will leave all the products that I used in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, long time no see, but I'm going to be starting off putting my real hair into a slick ponytail. And I'm using this Shine Jam and this Got To Be spray all around my hair and using a brush to brush it up as slick as I can. And I'm putting my hair into a bun. Next, I'm going to be taking this ponytail that I have straightened. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My user will be in the description box, so you can go see the ponytail when it was like wavy, which it was also cute as well. But I decided to flat iron it, and here I am pinning the hair in the ponytail. I'm pinning it in the front and the back, and I'm just brushing it out. You guys, I was feeling this ponytail so much, like I could not believe I got it to be like straight. And so then I took the drawstring and like tightened it onto my head. Next, I'm going to be taking a piece of the ponytail from the back and brushing that straight. I'm going to be using this to conceal where the ponytail, you know, starts. So I'm using that and I'm going around in circles, and then I'm using a bobby pin to keep that in place. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Got To Be spray, the Got To Be glue, gel, and the Shine Jam, and a toothbrush to lay these edges. Like, you have to lay these edges, which to me is the funnest part to me and just brings the whole look together. So I'm gonna just let you guys watch this. I do a time lapse. Oh, and at the end I tie my hair up with a silk scarf so that, you know, they lay for a little minute.